Solomon Library.
Perpustakaan Sekolah Methodist 2.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he has some pigs, E-I-E-I-O. And here, there, here, oink, there, oink, everywhere, oink, oink. Shh! Beware! Maybe the wolf is lurking you now. Hi everybody! It's really nice to meet you anymore in Solomon Library. Today, Miss would like to tell you about a story. The title of the story is That You Wolf? Today, Miss not alone. There's a little piglet who accompanies me. Hi, little piglet. Hello, Miss. Okay, now listen to the story. A brave little piglet was sure wolf was hiding on the farm. He wondered if wolf had come after the new land. And then he saw something move. He put his hand into the haystack and he felt something hurtling. It's wolf fur! It's wolf fur! He said. But it was just kitten who had chasing a mouse. Sorry, I thought you were a wolf. Don't be silly, pure kitten. There aren't any wolf here. But little piglet went to check the sty just in case. He put on his hand into the sty and felt something rough. It's wolf feet! It's wolf feet! He cried. Have you been tickling my feet? Smiled his dad. Sorry, said a little piglet. I thought you were wolf. Don't be silly, laughed Dad. There aren't any wolf here. Little piglet went to see the chickens were safe, but everywhere was very quiet. He put his hand anymore into the chicken coop and felt something sharp. It's wolf close, he cried. Who's been tugging our beak? Asked a large chicken. Sorry, said little piglet. I thought you were wolf. Don't be silly, croaked the chickens. There aren't any wolf here. Suddenly, little piglet remembered the duck. This time, he was sure someone was definitely hiding from him. He put his hand anymore into the grass and he felt something sticky. It was tongue, he cried. But out lived a large frog. Who made me jump? He croaked. so sweet. Little piglet said, I thought you were wolf. Don't be silly. There aren't any wolves here. So a little piglet went off to play with his friends. But who was that watching him from inside the tree? And then he put his hand into the hole of the tree. It's wolf's nose. It's wolf's nose! Wolf! Okay, that's all about the story. It is a nice story, right? From this story, we can learn how to be brave to prove the truth, so we may be able to beware. Nah, see you in the next story in Solomon Library. Bye-bye!